Welcome to Custom Studio, the app that will also be a website integration as an iframe directly for you and your sales associates to access one of the largest directory of design database. Um, in this, as you can see, we have over 1,000 product videos. Each of these products are unique, one of a kind, and are completely customizable. So when you go into any product category and you want to go ahead and see those images, you will be able to see them in three metal colors and options. So let's say for this example, right up here, this is a product. You will have the CAD dimensions and other details as well. And as you look at the front view, you will have the ability to see it in white, all yellow, pink, or default. And you can completely customize any of these pieces by simply clicking here to customize. Also, the ability to see over 10,000 additional CAD designs is built into the database. Custom Studio will help you and your sales staff make sales every single day. Just by accessing the design database and giving inspiration and ideas to your customers, whether they are planning to use their existing stones and gold, or they are planning to use completely brand new item as an order, from eternity bands to custom pieces with logos. We can do and we have done a lot of things in custom. These are actual pieces that are being in production, that you can be available or make your staff available to, and complete customization can take place on each and every piece. Custom Studio is your state-of-the-art answer for what your designs could be and what you could do with your designs. Simply go up and log in and find out more at stargems.com. We look forward to hearing from you about Custom Studio. Thank you.